Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss domestic wiring introduction part. It comes under module 3. In the previous video, we discussed transformer. In this, completely different. Next 3 to 4 videos, domestic wiring and safety, as well as what are the safety devices we're using and how to do earthing and what are the parameters required for earthing and how the fault appears and how to eliminate lashes and all we are going to discuss in this module. So name itself indicates domestic wiring. So wire passes through in a pipe from meter board to main board to particular room like hall, dining hall, kitchen. There we want electrical power supply, right? The switchboard, whatever you are using, that is coming from meter board to your particular area. That's why it is called as a domestic wiring. I mean, wire passes through it from meter board to particular place, right? That is wiring. So basically, we have different types of wiring. Later we will discuss one by one. Let's see the slide and introduction part one by one. Okay. As you can see the diagram, first diagram and second diagrams are so same, right? Because this is a main distribution board. In our college, this type of distribution board available near the staircase, right? If you enter into the staircase, in the bottom of the staircase we are having in the first floor, I mean ground floor, okay? In the ground floor in our college, we have the distribution board for our particular room, particular laboratories and all. So this is a wire is passes through from here to here, this room and then this room with a specified pipe. At present, we are not doing this type of wiring. The wiring before constructing the building itself, we are making wiring in the wall itself, inside the wall itself. And also at the top while making a concrete top, so that time itself we are going to do this one wiring. So this is one diagram. So these are the pans, okay? These are the main board and these are the pans, lightning point and the switchboard pans will be there. This black color will be there, right? That is switchboard point. And also this is a fan point and everything is available. That is we can call it as a wiring system. So practically I can show here there is a MCB present, mini circuit breaker or miniature circuit breaker, and also we are using fuse. So two safety devices we are using. One, if it is not working, definitely another will work, backup purpose. MCB fuse and all for the safety of the equipment as well as safety of the person who is operating electrical appliances. If suppose short circuit occurs, if suppose any abnormal condition occurs, automatically what happens, the fuse will get melt or circuit breaker, MCB will get trip off. So both the safety devices, okay. And here there is a switch box and this is a neutral wire and this is a phase wire, okay, and it is connected over here like all the phase wire here and here from the switch from the switch. One neutral point will be there, okay. That is a common point for all the electrical appliances. Neutral point, black wire, and one for tube-light. This is how we are making wiring diagram or wiring of the electrical appliances. At present, we are not doing this one. Before constructing the building itself, we are making a wiring system. Because before, if you do, before constructing, I mean while concrete time, definitely it is safety and it looks good also. If suppose if you keep the switch boxes outside, so it looks like, I mean, not that much good. I mean also like dangerous, right? So this is a wiring diagram, this part, and if I go to here, so how the power supply coming from power station to our home, right? So here there is a thermal power plant. From thermal power plant to transformer is present. Transformer to here consumer side. Here is our home, right? And this is industrial purpose. So I have taken these photos and all from the Google. I searched domestic wiring system or internal wiring system, and also single line diagram of power supply system. I have got these many diagrams. Okay, and here are the same renewable energy sources like wind power plant, and here hydel power plants and all. Here any thermal power plant. Renewable or non-renewable, anything is fine. So after that we are having a transformer. After that there is a distribution transformer over here, and this is our home, or I can consider this is our college. Okay, so it is coming from Anekal substation to Goodnalli to backside of our gate college, and after that we are utilizing the power supply, right? Let's see another one main concept, service mains. It comes under domestic wiring part. So this is a transmission lines, cable is present, okay, and here there is a step-down transformer, distribution transformer, that is, it converts 11 kilovolts into 415 volts or 230 volts plus or minus 5% of tolerance. So it is converted into 230 plus or minus 5% of tolerance if it is single phase, okay. And there is a communication lines here to here, and here to here there is a distribution transformer, and this is a meter board, circuit board, and this one is meter circuit, and this one like earthing wires also we can place. This one is communication table, don't confuse, only this part is ours, okay. So here meter utility, this one, and then this one is meter circuit, and this one is like this part, okay, this part, it has to be grounded. There is a tree trimming also is there because of like if suppose power supply is coming from the pole to the consumer side, right? So if suppose the tree branches contact with the transmission lines, sometimes it may hazardous location, or if suppose fault occurs, automatically current will be increases, it will be damage to the transformer this side as well as this consumer side also, right? This is a service mains, wire from pole to the consumer side. So next, once again we'll do introduction part. So building, whether used at a home or office, factory, hotels, needs electrical power supply. Everywhere is needed, right? Electrical power supply is needed. Needs electrical installation also to get proper lighting and to run the various application. See, one refrigerator is present, one washing machine is present in our home. So we need a circuit, right? We need a power supply for running that equipment. So that's why the power supply is we need, right? So from the meter board to particular place. So that is like a domestic wiring system. So basically we are having two wire system, that is phase neutral, that is single phase. If it is three wire system with one neutral, that is 4 wire, that is 3 phase for distribution purpose, and 3 phase 3 wire system only for transmission purpose, okay. And power supply from 3 phase voltage, whatever the transmission lines will be there, right, from thermal power plant or from generating station to the consumer till that pole. So always 11 kilovolt, 33 kilovolts, 66 kilovolts, 110 kilovolts, keep in your mind. And next there is a service mains, again we'll revise once again. So service mains, the wire connection between pole to the consumer side. I mean the line electrical bringing electrical power from supplier to the distributor up to the energy meter. See, from pole to the energy meter, from pole to main board, right? Here there is a transformer, this is a pole, just to assume, and here there is a one meter board is present, or connection board. So till here we can call it as power supply from here to here, we can call it as service mains.